Hi, this is GS from UOOE Organization, University of Online Education. Today we are discussing about the topic tables and lists. In my previous session, I explained a little bit. I gave a basic idea on tables, but right now we are going to depth introduction on tables and lists. Basically, what is table means? Tables are defined with tag called a table. I will show you how notepad. Commonly we have to write syntax of the HTML with close brackets HTML header part slash header body tag close body. So here normally table is defined with the tag called table. This is the table tag. And what is table means? A table is divided into row. Row means every open bracket is closed with the close tag. I already told you table is divided into row. Row is nothing but tr. And close tag. And also divided into data cell. Data cell means td. The td is comes placed between tr tags. So we can say that table is divided into row part tr and table data td. These are the tags of tr and td, and this td tag contain like a text box or links or images, forms, extra. Whatever we are going to add, we can add in between this td tag. Suppose I'm going to save this table data.html. This is the file I am saving on HTML folder. Suppose if I want to, if I given any data like comes and compare this browser HTML table data. Here you have seen one cell data which I placed in between td tags. I mean everything the data which we are going to place on HTML should be placed between this td tag. Suppose if I place another td, close bracket td. See here and refresh, we got two tables. And if you maintain border, we have attribute called table border equal to 1. If you see here, you can see now border means, suppose if I want next row means we have to start with tr. Tr starts new row. Tr slash tr. So I want to add this new row data like td. Cell 3 slash td you see here, you can find new row with new data. I mean, this is how we actually present data using table format. Okay, and also for every table it will contain headings. I mean, table header. Table header is nothing but table information in a table format. I mean, it will define using a th tag. I mean, if you define any content, th means it is a table header, and it will defined as the header part of the table. Suppose it is represented with the th. Suppose I'm going to add table header to this data. So th. I mean, I already told you, and every tag, new tag should be placed between tr between closed trs. Okay, so I'm creating heading of this table. So it is a tag called th. Like we can give as number 1 for cell 1, and for the cell 2 I'm gonna to create another heading th number 2. Click save, and if you come here means, if you refresh, you can see heading of this cell. I mean, what does the th tag do means, it provides header information into it in a table. I mean, using a tag called th. All major browser will maximum all browser will supported this tag th, and it will display on a bold format. If you see here, you can find difference to table data and table header, because table header is displayed in bold format. That's the way you have to create a basic table data using this table. And we have tags, attributes like suppose if I want to apply like color, we have to use inline attribute for style. Background color, I'm going to apply something like red. This is an attribute. If you here, I mean, using attributes we can apply styles to the table. And we have another called attribute called call span. Call span is nothing but it is provided depending upon the calls number. We can add a call span. Practically I will show you how to write a call span using a table. I mean, I'm basically creating one example using call span. Suppose I'm removing this header, because call span attribute is very important attribute while creating on this table, because depending upon the table data we have to give number to the call span. Actually the syntax of the call span is 3D COL SPAN, and depending upon the rows row data we have to define number. We should this call span is the attribute which takes place on the tag called TD. For TD only we can apply call span. So right now I'm creating basic table using call span. I will show you how real timely how call span is useful. Okay, basically for creating table we should given tags table and close table. First of all for every table we have to create a header th something we are going to create like months and savings. Okay, months, heading is months, months, close bracket, closed here. So if you compile this means you can see it's better to give border. If you give border means we can get clear idea. Yeah, so right now I'm going to give you the data to this table. Okay, like while we are giving data we have to create new row because it will create new row, and TD table data we are giving, like month is called Jan, TD, and savings like 25,000 like that. Yeah, okay. If you see here you can find the data Jan and 2. So I'm going to give another and adding to add February TD. So month will be 5th, dash TD 10,000. So yeah, right now we create a table called months January, February, and saving is 25, 10,000, I mean 1,000. Why I'm showing this example is I'm going to explain how actually call span will be useful. So if I want to take sum, I mean total savings from January and February. So something like TD. I'm using first of all TD and some like 26,000, total from 25 plus 1,000, 26,000 slash TD. Suppose means here if you see here it's showing some like months, but by using call span is nothing. I want to give here call span like 2 because we have two tables, data tables like January and February, so the count is 2. So if I give here call span as 2 means here. If you see here now it is the division of the line has gone because the calls we have taken call span as 2, so the sum is 26,000. I mean that's the use of this call span. And also we have like some attributes like align equal to center. Here we can change the position of the table, the center or left, right. Right, like that we can change the position of the table also. And also we can able to apply background, which I showed you before, style equal to mean, this is how basically we can able to create a basic table, okay, using tables. If you see like any websites, most probably display user information or user details in the format of table format. This is how actually they are prepare that table using this tags, table tags and attributes. I mean, this is the explanation on the tables. And another thing, another thing is lists. This is also important, has important role in HTML. What is list? HTML list means HTML list appears in web browser as a bullet and as a number format. Okay, I'll show you. Then normally if you see any menu in browser, that display in the format of menu, in the format of numbers like 1, 2, 3 or bullet formats with dot formats. I will show you how we are going to display such kind of effects in web browser using lists, HTML list. Mainly HTML lists are two types: order list. HTML lists are two types. One, unordered list, and next second one is order list. What is unordered list means it display content in the format of bullets, okay, and what is order list means it display content in the format of like numbers. Second one is order list. This, first of all, let us discuss about what is order list. I mean unordered list. This unordered list is displayed using the tag called UL. Unordered list. UL is nothing but unordered list. It has close bracket. And I already told you, if you place this any content between this unordered list means it will display in the format of bullets, because every ordered list will contain this list. Li list is defined with li tag. Suppose if I place like apple, every order list will followed with list, so this tag is li. And the next one is just I have saved this. Suppose if I compile this means you can see the output with the format of bullets. I mean that's the use of unordered list. I mean you most probably you find such kind of effects in web pages in the menu format or such kind of format. This is the way to display content in the format of bullets format. And also there this ordered list has different attributes. Suppose if I want to display this data apple, banana and carrot in the format of like circle format means I have to give type equal to circle. If you just save this circle, I mean here itself this UL tag has an attribute type. I mean this type, if you define circle means it will display the content in the format of circle. If you say like square, here it is displayed in the format of square. This is how the unordered list is useful. I mean it is very useful tag in HTML, because we need to display HTML data in the format of menu format. At the time we can do this using unordered list. And as we discussed, we have other tag called order list. What does this order list will do means, we will remove this. This order list tag is OL. Normally, like UL, it has a list called list tag like LI. Suppose cricket. Chess. Okay. Suppose if I save this content, I say and compile the browser means it will display data in the format of number format, like this 1 2 3. We need to specify like 1 2 3 in HTML. Just using this order list, we can display the content in the form of numbers format. Similarly, it is same like unordered list, but the difference is unordered list display data in the format of symbols, but this order list display in the format of numerics. And this OL tag also contain attributes. Suppose attribute like same like UL, it is also contain attribute called type equal to, if I display alphabetic small a means it display the data like ABC. Okay, if I place attribute as capital A means it will display like ABC. And it has another type, like if I display small I, here it will display in numeric format 1 2 3. If I place capital I means it will display like this. I mean, this is how HTML list, we can use HTML list in HTML. I mean, it is most probably useful in menu format. Suppose in your website you are going to display some menus of hotels, like hotels or any shops means, this is the by using this HTML list you can display the content in the format of unordered list or ordered list. That's it for today. Today we have discussed about tables and HTML list. From coming next session we can come with new topic. That's it from my side today. Thank you.